Good morning, children. Yes, we are going to learn social of 6th class. As first part of this lesson, we have studied about the agricultural crops, but it is of government syllabus of 5th class. You won't find this lesson in the 6th class textbook. It is of government 5th class textbook. Remember, just as government said to revise that lesson, I have revised that lesson. Now today onwards we are going to have 6th class syllabus only. So follow that and read well. Okay children, today as you know we are passing through the corona. So many of your friends or some of your friends went to villages. When your friends went to villages and they call you to spend some days there, then how do you go there? Just you know the name of the village. Then what you will do? Nowadays so much technology has developed. You will use the Google Maps and you will go. So what is the map actually? What is the map? What is the map? Map is nothing but a visual representation of a area or part of a area represented on a flat surface. It may be a cloth or it may be a paper. It may be a cloth or it may be a paper. So as you are in the 6th class, now today we are going to learn how to read and make maps. So our first lesson in the 6th class is reading and making maps. What is it, ma'am? It is reading and making maps. What is our first lesson? Reading and making maps. Yes, what is our first lesson? Reading and making maps. Again, reading and making maps. How to read the map and how to make the map we are going to learn today. In this whole lesson, we are going to learn about 4 concepts more. 4 concepts we are going to learn. What are those? First we are going to see. 4 concepts from the whole lesson we are going to learn 4 concepts. What are those? First we are going to learn sketch map. First we are going to learn sketch map. Next we are going to learn directions. Next we are going to learn directions. Then scale. Then scale. Next we are going to learn symbols. Next we are going to learn symbols. Yes ma'am, on this whole lesson we are going to learn about these 4 things. One is sketch map. It is also called as route map. It is also called as route map. And next one is directions. Next one is directions. Scale, symbols. But these 3 are very important to read and to make the map. Which are very important? That is directions, scale and symbols. Directions, scale and symbols. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, directions. Scale, S-C-A-L-E, scale. That is not the scale mark. This scale is different, which we'll use to draw the lines. That is not. This scale is different, which is used in the making maps. And symbols. These 3 are very important to read and make maps. Yes children. First of all, you see ma, when we are learning reading and making maps, we had 3 types of maps which are very important. That is, one is political map. 3 maps are there which are very important. Political maps. What is it? Political maps. Second one is physical maps. Second one is physical maps. Physical maps. Third one is historical maps. Historical maps. Historical maps or thematic maps. Or thematic maps. Yes ma'am? This about all this we are going to learn in higher classes, but for you to get clear about the maps I am telling you. First one is political maps, physical maps, historical or thematic maps. Okay ma'am? P-O-L-I-T-I-C-A-L, political. P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical. Historical, H-I-S-T-O-R-I-C-A-L, historical. Thematic, T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C, thematic. So these 3 types types of maps also very important. We are going to learn in the higher classes, but to get the idea, I am giving it to you, and I am showing also what are the political maps, what are the thematical maps. If you see here, it is the old. If you see here, it is the old political map. What the political map shows? It will show the outline of the countries, states. Yes, you can see here. It is the India map. Yes, India map. It is showing the continent Telangana also. This is the Telangana map. All these three are political maps. Now if you see here, it is a physical map of India. What it will show? It will show the all landforms. Like this. If you see here Plateau region, mountain region, Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, like that, all rivers, all it will show, all the landforms it will show. Himalayan mountains, Deccan Plateau, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, river Ganga, river Brahmaputra, all it will show. That type of the maps are called physical maps. And next, historical maps means the historical places. The map which shows the historical places, it is called as historical maps. Thematic maps means it will show a specific thing like rainfall, like crops, then it is called a thematic map. Okay ma'am, just you got the idea now? Then yes, now if you see here, we said that we are going to learn about the sketch map, otherwise it is called as a route map also. Before going to this lesson, I will give you small activity. What is that? Take the India map. If you take the India map, what you have to do? You take the activity, just you do it ma'am. This activity, what is it? Take one India map and in that locate the states and capitals. One more India map you take. In that what you will do? Locate only your state. And one more map, that is the map of Telangana you take. In that what you are going to do? You have to find out the neighboring states. Okay ma'am, this small activity you do, you will know about the political map. Then what we are going to do means, yes, you can practice the Telangana outline map. Yes. Okay now today this much just you learn it, and tomorrow I will continue. Take the assessment homework. Take the assessment. Today's assessment, small topic I have explained. Again I am telling you, our first lesson is reading and making maps. In this whole topic we are going to learn 4 topics, that is sketch map, directions, scale and symbols. Okay now, first of all, you have known about the political map. On that map only I am going to give. First homework is draw outline of Telangana map. After that, you take district map. Take your district map. Find neighboring districts. Yes children, small topic ma. Further we'll go for a further lesson tomorrow. Okay, thank you ma.